Morning guys, it is August 8th, 2024. This one I got a call for a toilet not shutting off. The guy put a stick under the fill valve to shut it off. Sounds like it's an old tank ball type, you know, with the lever. They call that a ball cock. It's got the lever in the toilet. And he says the valve won't shut off underneath. So, I did recently change this guy's air conditioning system out a few months ago, and called me back to fix the toilet. We go by there and see if we can help him out. He's a retired politician, this guy. Good guy. He's a talker. You know. What do you expect from a?
At the stop sign.
What do you
take the first right?
What can you expect from a politician? He's a talker, right? He's a good guy. Good people. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can help him out. He likes his new AC, he says. Nice and cool in the house.
Action League member.
Yeah, there's a valve there.
Okay. I thought I couldn't see it on either side.
What happens is you bend down, you can't get back up again.
Yeah, well.
Well, you're
still young enough to do it. I'm not.
You know, spring chicken. No, so they changed the gun laws. I don't know. That's what I heard. Coming out with some crazy shit. Typical Massachusetts. As long as it shuts off, we'll put a new valve in there for you.
Okay.
Let's check the gasket.
She said another thing, and I don't think we can do anything about it.
Well, she's...
You ready to
Go ahead, what is it?
Slow hot water on all the
Slow hot water? No hot water or slow?
Volume compared to cold. It's just...
Where and what faucet?
Most of them, I guess, in the bathrooms. It's...
Throughout the whole house or just...
Well, shower stall's fine. I have no problem with shower.
All right, well, that's the faucets.
Oh. We gotta replace them then.
She's still leaking.
Oh yeah?
And maybe if I put my pliers on it. Let me get my tools.
Okay, I was gonna say if it has to be replaced, replace the damn thing. It's
yeah, let me take a look.
Years old.
Yeah, the only thing is it's gonna be one hell of a job to change it, you know?
Oh, okay.
It's not gonna be easy, put it that way. If I could just shut it off with my pliers to change the valve, we'll do that. No, it's filling in a little bit.
Slow water is just buildup of iron in the pipes.
No, it gets like cholesterol.
Yeah.
Kind of like your veins, you know?
Yeah, well, what do you do about it?
You gotta take that Lipitor shit.
No, I mean the... I'm talking about the pipes, not the human.
No, you gotta go in there and clean them out.
How do you do that?
You gotta go in there and replace stuff. It's like, wow, this toilet's got a crack in it, guy.
How's it?
Yeah, in the back.
It's leaking out? No?
Not leaking, but...
Nobody uses it.
Get some fat chick down there, you're gonna be in trouble. You know?
Shouldn't I just shut it down and not use it at all?
Well, I mean, if you're over here taking a leak or something, it'll be alright. Just want to let you know that, you know, I could put a new valve in it, but I can't fix that crack.
Yeah, but to fix the crack, you gotta take it.
You'd have to replace the toilet. Let me just put a new valve in it for now.
Okay.
Put a new valve in it for now. And,
If it cracked and was leaking, could
well, no, it's been cracked for a while.
Okay.
It's not something that just happened.
All right. No one uses this maybe 5 times a year. An emergency, somebody's outside there.
Well, it'll probably be all right. I'm just saying that the back of it has got a crack in it.
Okay.
Not much I can do about that. Let's just put a new valve in.
I didn't call you for bad news, you know.
No, I know. I don't want to piss on your parade, but...
Oh, well, hey, join the group.
Could be worse. This toilet could be at my house. Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, that would be worse, right?
Yeah, that would be a lot worse for you, yeah.
Yeah, it's at my house, and I gotta... So you miss working at the State House? No?
I'm so pissed off at him, I'm yelling at the TV, I'm yelling at my cell phone.
Really?
I've done gay female governor, because the legislature went out on July 31st, okay? They can't do anything until next year.
Why?
Well, because if they try to pass any legislation, go back into session, one person like myself could say, I object, and the legislation cannot go forward until next year, so they're screwed. So they went out July 31st. They stayed till midnight. They did the work they could. They left stuff behind. So what? That's what happens every year. And now they have an economic development package they want to bring up, which is a total piece of shit.
Really?
Spend, 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 spend.
Isn't that how they are, though?
Yeah,
Spend.
It's supposed to be like that. You smart people. Anyway, they were going to come back to do it because they'll start it again next year, right? Next session. Now with the windmill falling apart out there on Martha's Vineyard, falling apart, and all this fiberglass coming out all the beaches on Martha's Vineyard.
I didn't know about that.
Huh?
I didn't know about the windmill.
Oh yeah, one of them, their first one, they finished, one of the blades broke off.
How long did it last for?
A couple of weeks. They were putting the third one on, and they found out the blade, on the third blade.
A couple of weeks? That's all it lasted?
Yeah. Well, no, they first tried to you got it 3 blades, right? 1, 2, 3?
Yeah.
2 went on fine. The third one, they messed it up, hooking it up, and they cracked it. So they took that one down, right? And they sent for a third one here in New Bedford. They have them on the waterfront stored.
Yeah.
They brought the third one out to replace it. They put it on, and they hadn't even turned it 2 turns, and the freaking thing broke.
Wow.
It's 340 feet long, a football field long.
Wow, the blade?
Yeah, the blade split at the lowest level towards the water, so that broke off. That was 800, I forget the weight distribution. Anyway, that hit the water, splattered and shattered and went all over Cape Cod. Now,
so now they got it, what, it ain't working?
no, that's the first one they put up. It ain't working at all, no.
Wow.
Anyway, it's ruined the south beaches of Nantucket last 3 weeks because there's fiberglass in the water and on the beach.
Wow.
Now that's going to screw up the cohogs and the clams and the mussels.
I'm not a big fan of the windmill shit.
Yeah, and we don't need windmills. We got other ways to make electricity better than fucking windmills. And you don't put windmills over water. Then the hurricanes coming up the coast, that'll knock the other 2 blades right off that thing.
A bunch of dum-dums, huh?
Yeah. So
A bunch of dum-dums.
now you're going to hear the sad part about it. How did Nantucket put up, or Martha's Vineyard put up with them doing this when they got people don't want it?
I don't know. The
They made a
state...
special deal. They gave Nantucket $14 million to shut up. And the Board of Selectmen shut up and didn't say anything. Let them
They don't want that in Nantucket. That looks stupid.
Yeah. And Martha's Vineyard, they're trying to put, now they're making the windmills out in the ocean 14 miles out. They're going to bring it into land. They're going to bring one of them into Somerset, Mass. They're going to pipe the electricity.
Unbelievable. Well, they need it because they're pushing all these electric cars, these dum-dums.
That's the other dum-dum.
Let me tell you something about a windmill. A windmill, what it costs to buy the stuff, the labor, and to put it up, it's going to take 50 years to recoup the money to break even. Well, they only last 25 years.
No, 15 now. They came down. 15.
It's only 15 now.
Yeah.
So how stupid is that?
I mean, it's
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
So it's only 15. Correct me. I gotta Everybody's gonna do this fact checking shit on me on Facebook. You know, oh, you gotta get the facts right.
Now, just to throw.
Yeah. So I was wrong. It's not 25. It's 15.
If you want to throw a wrench into it and make it worse, Biden and Harris.
They're gonna
this
fact
week,
check me.
Before signed an
Fucking
executive order
dum-dums.
stopping anybody from suing these companies if these mistakes take place, because you're going to ruin beaches, you're going to ruin businesses, right? Everybody wants to sue. You ready for this?
Go ahead.
Biden exempted them from any suits by anybody.
Who's that? The windmill companies?
Yeah, the oil companies own half of them. I don't know. They're brushing their teeth from both sides. Did you tighten it?
Yeah, I got it changed. I mean, it's an old toilet, but like you said, you don't use it that much.
Yeah.
Kind of like your wife. She's getting old. I mean, once in a while, you right?
Yeah.
That's about it. Not every day.
I know the story.
Yeah. Leave it, right? It's.
Yeah.
I mean, it's old, but.